How to maintain Agapanthus plants by Yard Techs.
Alright guys, we're going to go over how to do the maintenance on an Agapanthus flower. So what are we looking for? We're looking for spent flowers. See, like that one's already done. Flowers that are looking kind of droopy. Ones that are spent or touching the floor. Here's another example. So all that we do is we come up. If the stalk is already brown, then it's okay to pull it. Just be mindful that you could possibly pull out the whole plant. So we like to cut the stalk instead. You just come all the way down to that base, to the base of the flower with the hand pruners, cut it. Take the stalk over to the trash can, and then to save space in the trash can, I like to cut it at least one time. So I'll show you another example. Here's a long stalk. It's too green to try to pull, so I come all the way down here to the base, cut it in the trash can halfway. We're also looking for at the base of the plant. You guys will see there's like leaves that are all brown and dead already. All that you do is just grab those and pull them out. So you guys can grab those, run your fingers through here and just pull that out. This generally happens late June, early July is when the flowers start to get all spent. It's pretty fast plant, easy.
Do you need help in your yard? Visit yardtechs.com today to book a free meeting. That's yardtechs.com.